What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. This is a little bit of a skincare video because you see behind me there's a Sephora bag, and I went to Sephora to get some new skincare products. So a little background check. My skin is combination, so oily with some dry spots, but mostly oily, so I consider myself oily. And my skincare right now is super, like, it's simple. I use Fenty Skin to wash, tone and moisturize. So I don't really have a real skincare routine video on my channel just yet because yeah, I don't know, so I will probably film that another time. But in this video I just want to show you guys some new things that I've started using in my skincare routine. So for like a beginner person, this might seem like a lot, but for a person who is not afraid to go to the next step of skincare, then you're watching the right video. But if you're new and you're just trying and you're trying to figure out what a good skincare routine and products are for you, then I recommend to stay like where I was before this video. Just like find a nice cleanser that's you know, simple in ingredients, and then find a good toner and a good moisturizer. So some new products that I picked up from Sephora. It consists of serums and eye creams and a new moisturizer. So if you want to see step by step what I got, what I'm about to do, and you want to learn on some skincare from someone else's perspective, then keep watching this video. But before, don't forget to subscribe if you're not a subscriber already. Like this video, comment down below, and then put your notification on so you know whenever I drop a new video. Okay, let's go. Four products from The Ordinary, and then I have 2 products from the Inky list. So let's get into the products. Okay. So first one that I'm going to show you guys is this one. These names are super lab-ish, so I don't know if I'm going to be pronouncing them properly. So just read, use your eyes, and follow me carefully. Okay. So first thing is, this is the product that sold me on using serums. I tried it super randomly and it was literally, I probably think it was like $13 something. You know what, I'm gonna try it. I don't know how I got so bold, because when it comes to my face I don't really like to try new things, but I got bold, and I'm glad I was bold because, man, I love this serum. I first got the smaller one. The first one that I bought that's done, it was this size. So when I went back, I got the bigger size just because I really like this one. Like, you can squash every serum away and just leave me with this, and I'll be just okay with that. You guys, how it spell? Can you see? So that's the name. It makes your pores tighter and smaller, so I think that's like it's a good thing for the overall texture of your skin. You have to use it more than once, you know. You don't just put it on and you're like, oh, where's the result, you know. So you gotta kind of use it for real. Now this is the one that I was put on by a TikToker girl, and I forgot her name, I forgot her thing, but I just liked the video, and she was doing her nighttime skincare thing, and then she had used the buffet from The Ordinary, even if the product is saying anti-aging, that's not really the only thing that it does. The point of anti-aging is making the skin more elastic and then making it more firm. So even if you're not aging, and even if you are, then those results are still good to have. So I started trying Buffet from The Ordinary. And the other one that I've been shying myself away from trying is Retinol. Retinol is another one that I think is more targeted towards like anti-aging too, but also it helps with skin texture. So I added that in my gang. One thing I like about it is how it's oily. Okay, the rest of these are like water based. This is the only one that's oily, so I like when I use the water one, I finish with the oily one. It kind of like gives me a feeling that I'm locking everything in. So from The Ordinary, the Abnormal Beauty Company. Now guys, if you're looking for affordable skincare and you just don't want to break the bank too much, I feel like this brand is Sephora is really affordable and really great, especially if you already have a good skin going on. Like if you're looking to fix things, I don't think this is going to offer you that. But if you're looking to maintain things, then you're good to go with these. One that's like, this is supposed to give back oils, moisture. I used to shy away from this type of oily stuff, things that promise you moisture and you know, I always think it's for dry skin, and I have oily skin, so when I go shopping for my skin stuff, I don't really like to get things that promise you moisture, that because I'm scared I'm going to be oilier. But that's a lie. I actually loved everything that promised moisture now, and it's kind of the only thing that I like to go for. I don't like things that promise you a glow. I really shy away from this thing because I feel like it's too harsh, like it's gonna give you glow and da da da. I'm like, it feels, every time I try any product that promises a glow, blah blah blah, it just does the complete opposite. So I feel like I'm gonna create my own glow by moisturizing my skin and taking care of my skin. But when you do that, your own natural glow just comes out. From the Inky List, this is the eye cream. This eye cream is supposed to brighten your under eyes. This is the eye cream. My favorite right now is the cream. Oh, this is a peptide cream. So it's a moisturizer for your face, and so far my moisturizer of choice is Fenty Skin moisturizer, because it also has sunscreen in it. For that reason, I like this moisturizer for bedtime. I also have a moisturizer, the Fenty night cream for bedtime, but I don't know, I don't really gravitate towards it all the time. I love this cream here. Bomb. If there's anything I can say from every product that I've just shown you guys that I've used, my two top best players are the moisturizer peptide and then the niacinamide, this one. Okay, these two added to my regular skincare.
So I'm going to wash my face with my Fenty skin cleanser that I use.
Let's get into this skin business really deeply, mama chula. So guys, that's it. That is how your girl has been doing her skincare since Saturday. You know, last Saturday. So it's been a week since I've been doing my skincare this way. This is kind of like my new skincare routine, because my skincare routine is gonna get a whole video of its own with more relaxed vibe, a little champagne. This is just like a haul of my new products. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you enjoy it, don't forget to thumbs it up. Thank you guys for, I'm just trying to look at my skin through through this. Why am I like that? Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, thumbs it up and subscribe to my channel. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.